CES used to stand for Consumer Electronics Show, and there are a ton of consumer electronics out on the show floor. And while we can't dedicate a video to every one of them, we do want to just fit a few more things you should look forward to, or not, in 2018. With Jules, Wang on camera, I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow, and let's dive in. Let's start with the perennial manufacturer serving a particularly hardy niche, Caterpillar. The company has new S31 and S41 models out. Usually these phones don't run on bleeding edge in terms of software or specs, save for the 3800 mAh battery on the S31 and the 5000 mAh cell on the S41. But for active work sites, explorers, and other outdoor tasks, these heavily rubberized phones should do the trick. The S41 in particular is IP68 and mil-spec rates and has underwater camera and glove hand modes to make the screen work or not as needed. One of our favorite go-tos for Bluetooth headphones is Jabra. It's building on top of its recently released Elite 25E, which maximized battery life for the buck at $79, with the now Elite 45E. It has a more premium feel, IP54 proofing, 2 microphones for better noise cancellation during calls, and 8 hours of playback. For $99, that ain't bad at all. And then there is the Elite 65T wireless earbuds with 4 microphones, up to 5 hours of battery life with 10 more hours through the charging case, and all of that for $169. At another $20 for the Elite Active 65T, and there's better liquid protection, with the warranty specifically also covering not just water but sweat. Furthermore, new software for all these products will let users adjust the EQ of the drivers themselves, and native connections to either Google Assistant or Siri, with the option for Amazon Alexa as well. Jabra has really stepped up its game this time around. Pre-orders for the 65T are going on, while the 45E will arrive at the end of the first quarter. Finally, we took a look at Lenovo's table of products for a quick look at its new smart display running Google Assistant OS. The device, which goes with off-the-shelf specifications, comes with 8 to 10 inches in display and is supposed to bring music, videos, calls, and more such fun. A new standalone Google Daydream VR headset called the Mirage Solo also made its debut, and just like its name says, it operates on its own without the need of a phone to slot into it. And then there's the Miix 630, and I hope I'm pronouncing Miix right, a convertible tablet running Windows 10 with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor. It's one of several always connected PCs with LTE capabilities to come over the next year. Like others of its type, the Miix 630 has a stylus, a decent keyboard, and a very sleek profile, but is able to deliver on anywhere above 20 hours of battery life per cycle. Expected to come out in the springtime for $800. Tell us what you think about these products in the comments, and while you're at it, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more content from CES 2018. You can follow Jules at @Jules on Twitter, myself at Jaime_Rivera, or on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I am Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We've got more content coming soon.